All right, I'm gonna go down here now, man, and get a quick flight in. It's raining out. Make sure my GoPro is recording. It is recording. All right, we can see it is raining out. I'm gonna just get a quick one real fast. All right, so she's ready. I'm gonna stand underneath. I don't see what's going on down there. I'm just gonna stand under here. We'll just launch it from hand. So we're going. We're just gonna fly it around. I don't know if you can see that. It's just coming in. Just flying it. You know, I can bring it down and just turn it. Again, it's raining now, so. But again, I'm keeping it oriented. Face, you know. And I'm not flying it super fast. I'm just flying it slowly. Drop the throttle a little bit, let it. But it flies good. It's not much wind out. Now on the turns, you do have to give it some yaw and cyclic at the same time. On him, it's nosing right now. Turning around. I'll do a couple funnels for you in a minute. Not here, hold on. Just letting it. So I want to just fly it around the driveway here. Bring it around right back to me. Take it back out. So, nothing real. Man, she's flying fine. As you can see, she's hovering good. She's not even being affected by the wind. That's why I'm kind of surprised I had such an issue before. I'm thinking I just probably wasn't ready to fly it. And I do have high rates on. Let's do a couple funnels. Couple funnels there. Yeah, bring it back down. Keep going. She's flying good. Bringing it back in. She's nose in right now. Green in, so this is how I think you fly it. Rob, you got it. You see the little, I don't know if you can see the little on-off switch, the little black dot at the back. And I'm flying her. I mean, it's not hands off. She's getting wet, but so she's flying. She's flying good. She's flying fine. And you see I'm just, you know, getting comfortable in every direction. Doesn't matter if I'm flying to the left. Doesn't matter if I'm flying to the right. Just being comfortable in every direction is really what you want. I don't know who this dude is, but I'm gonna bring it on in. Nice flight. She's flying good. So we're just gonna bring her right on in to me. Nose in and just for land her right in my hand. Good flight. She's wet. Just wanted to let you see. So she's a good flyer. All right.